In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Outlook Desktop. We'll walk through both Classic Outlook, the traditional desktop app, and the new Outlook experience. The process is slightly different in each, so follow the path that matches what you see on your screen. A quick way to tell: Classic Outlook has a File tab in the top left corner, while the new Outlook has a cleaner look with a gear icon for settings in the top right. Let's start with Classic Outlook. Begin by opening Outlook and clicking the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view where you manage accounts and settings. Next, select Office Account, or it may simply appear as Account depending on your version. Under User Information, locate the account you want to sign out of and click Sign Out. Outlook may prompt you to confirm. After that, make sure you close all Microsoft Office applications on your computer: Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and anything else that's open. Closing these apps completes the sign-out process because your Office sign-in spans across the suite, and signing out fully ensures your credentials are cleared from the desktop apps. If you use more than one account, double-check you're signing out of the correct one before you close everything. Now for the new Outlook desktop app. In this version, you'll use the app's internal account controls. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of the window to open Settings. From there, go to Accounts, then choose your accounts or Manage, depending on what is shown. Find the specific account you want to log out of, and click Manage. Scroll down and select Remove Account from Outlook, then confirm when prompted. This action disconnects the account from the Outlook app on your computer. It does not delete the email account itself or permanently remove messages from the mail server. Your mail and calendar will still be accessible through the web or any other device where the account remains connected. You should see the inbox and folders for that account disappear from the sidebar once the removal completes. A couple of helpful notes as you wrap up. In Classic Outlook, signing out affects the broader Office apps, so be sure you've saved your work in any open documents before you close them. In the new Outlook, removing an account is immediate, and you can continue using any other accounts still connected in the app. If your device is managed by an organization, some options may appear differently based on policy. That's it: simple and secure. Thanks for watching.